Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Here are 50 sentences that can be used at home with kids. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Pick up toys.
Pick up toys.
Do your homework.
Do your homework.
Say please.
Say please.
Time for bed.
Time for bed.
Read a book.
Read a book.
Feed the pet.
Feed the pet.
Laundry time.
Laundry time.
Let's play.
Let's play.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Great job.
Great job.
Use your indoor voice.
Use your indoor voice.
Dinner time.
Dinner time.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Eat your veggies.
Eat your veggies.
How was school?
How was school?
Close the door.
Close the door.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Put on shoes.
Put on shoes.
Turn off light.
Turn off light.
Play outside.
Play outside.
Share your toy.
Share your toy.
Water plants.
Water plants. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it. Like, comment, and share.